For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The DeLonghi Eletta Explore espresso machine is made for anyone who wants a reliable, all-in-one coffee system. If you're like me and enjoy a hot cappuccino in the morning but prefer a cold latte in the afternoon, this machine handles both with ease. With 50-plus one-touch recipes, it covers everything from espresso and cappuccino to iced lattes and even cold brew in less than 3 minutes. I tried the iced cappuccino setting after a workout, and honestly, it felt like something I'd normally buy at a cafe. One of the features that makes a big difference is the built-in grinder. Freshly ground beans bring out better flavor, and the Eletta Explore offers 13 grind settings, which is close to what baristas recommend for dialing in espresso. I started with a medium grind for my espresso shots, but when I switched to a lighter roast, I adjusted to a finer grind and the taste was noticeably smoother. This flexibility really helps you get the best from your beans, and it's the kind of control coffee professionals emphasize for consistent extraction. The hot and cold foam technology is another highlight. DeLonghi includes 2 latte crema systems, one designed for hot drinks and one for cold. With the hot system, I made a cappuccino that had foam nearly identical to what I've seen in specialty coffee shops. The cold system is just as impressive. The foam stayed thick and velvety even after pouring over ice, which solves a common problem I've had when making iced drinks at home. For cold coffee fans, the cold extraction technology stands out. Normally, cold brew takes 12 to 24 hours, but this system makes it in under 3 minutes by controlling water flow, pressure, and temperature. I tested this on a hot afternoon and was surprised at how smooth it tasted, less acidic than iced coffee I usually brew the night before. According to the Specialty Coffee Association, brew temperature and extraction time play a huge role in taste, so this feature isn't just convenient, it actually makes sense from a brewing standard perspective. The 3.5-inch TFT full-touch display makes the process simple. The layout is colorful and clear, so you can scroll through recipes quickly. I like that it didn't feel complicated, even the first time I used it. Cleaning is practical too. Many parts are removable and dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about daily scrubbing. Personally, that's a relief because one of my biggest frustrations with older machines was the messy cleanup. In short, the DeLonghi Eletta Explore blends convenience with smart coffee-making features, from hot cappuccinos to smooth cold brews, from grind adjustments to app control. It's a system designed to make cafe-style drinks easy at home while giving you flexibility to experiment like a barista.